Hi guys, my name is Kashish and मेरे चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है. It is the 1st of November today and in case you don't know, it is my birthday month. Something about November is so special, so beautiful. It's the end of the year. We are all in a very chill, fun mode because the year is gonna end. We are all looking forward to new beginnings and new things that are going to come in the next year. And in general, I just love the month of November and December because I am a person who feels very cold, but at the same time I love winters. I love the warmth, I love the feeling of winters, you know. It's just so festive right from October, November. There's Diwali, there's Christmas, there's so many festivals. There's Guru Nanak Jayanti. In fact, just today in the morning I saw the Prabhat Fairy at 5 a.m. I was awake and it felt so nice, so beautiful. Early in the morning, people together chanting God's name just felt so positive, so nice. And yeah, there are just so many things happening. The next few days that I have in front of me, I think are very exciting. And today, on the 1st of November, I am starting my birthday month on a very, very, very fun note. I am going to watch Samay Raina live. Yes. So, story time. The first time that Samay Rana announced his show in Mumbai, me and Shikhar, we both tried to book the tickets in Mumbai. We also tried booking it in Pune, but we couldn't get the tickets. So this time Shikhar, when he saw the tickets when it came for November, he just booked it without asking me, and I am glad that he did. And me, Shikhar, Adu and May, all four of us are going and I'm so excited, I cannot tell you. All four of us in the group are really big fans of Samay Raina and we have been watching The Latent religiously. We used to watch The Latent religiously and all of us are great, huge fans of him. I am going to turn 25 this year. I kind of have a lot of pressure on myself that I have put on myself, that I really want to do a lot in this month. I want to feel content, I want to feel satisfied, I want to feel productive, like I want to feel the most of everything. And I thought today is the perfect day to start vlogging. I don't know how long I'm gonna vlog this, but I am aiming at least a week. Hi guys, so I am with Adu and Shikhar and May bhai bhi hai. एंड हम जा रहे हैं अभी समय रायना देखने. कैसा वैसे मैं ये पूछना चाहती थी, मैंने सोचा था कार में कि आप लोग को कैसा लग रहा है ऐसे. मैं तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि ऑल्सो बिकॉज नवंबर है, मेरा बर्थडे मंथ है, सो मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है वाओ आई एम स्टार्टिंग माय बर्थडे मंथ ऐसे विद अ बैंग.
एंड हम तो लेटेंट देखते हैं, मतलब मी एंड मे लाइक लेटेंट. हम खाना खाते खाते देखते हैं. अभी ऑलमोस्ट सारे एपिसोड बाहर हो गए, सो वी लाइक हिम पर्सनली. सो लेट्स सी हाउ द शो गोस.
हमें लिटरली पता है, मैं जब इंट्रो कर रही थी मैंने बोला भी कि हम चारों ने आई थिंक रिलीजियसली लेटेंट देखा है.
बहुत रिलीजियसली देखा है और हर एपिसोड देखा है और वापस आएगा वापस देखूंगा.
यस, सपोर्टर फॉर लेटेंट.
मैं अभी तक समय राना का जो मेंबरशिप वाला है मैं अभी तक भर रहा हूँ. कुछ आ नहीं रहा पर तो
वो ले रहा है अभी तक मेंबरशिप. ओह वाओ कूल. नहीं मैं नहीं भर रही, बट मेरे पास थी मेंबरशिप. वो
अभी हम भर रहे हैं क्या मेंबरशिप का?
नहीं मैंने लिखा.
बट या एक्साइटेड. अभी अंदर तो हम व्लॉग नहीं कर पाएंगे, बट
Yeah, they're going to take our phones.
we shall come out and give you the review if my phone still has the battery. Bye. We are here. We just got done with the show and what a show it was. कैसा लगा आप लोग सबको?
मजा आ गया.
Fantastic.
Well said.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्रेजी शो था. And yeah, I think did you cry? I तो cried. ऐसे I cried, I laughed. ऐसे इतने roller coaster of emotion. So good. I'd recommend everyone to come and watch it. Hi guys, it's the other day and it's early morning. I came back home and crashed and abhi aankh khuli, so I had to come and vlog. I've not woken up completely. It's like 6-7 a.m. in the morning right now, but I just woke up and I had to come here and talk about how great Samay Raina was. Like if you like him or if you have ever liked him, you should definitely go and attend one of his shows, because what you see on the screen is nothing that you will feel when you actually go and see him live. He is so goated. मैं क्या बताऊँ, मतलब so damn good. Also, I've gotten some parcels here, and I'm a kind of a person who gets so excited when she sees her parcels that irrespective of whatever she is doing, she'll leave everything and open up her parcels. Hi guys, so it's currently the 2nd of November and it's almost 12 a.m. and it is my best friend's birthday. Also, the Indian women team won the World Cup and this feels like a personal win. Tomorrow morning we are going to Trimbakeshwar, which is one of the Jyotirling that is in Maharashtra. So yeah, looking forward to that and I'm so excited to do it because me and Khushi, we have both thought that we'll do and हमने अपने सारे ज्योतिर्लिंग अभी तक साथ में किए तो yeah, that is the plan. I'm so excited. It is the 3rd of November and it's 5 a.m. in the morning. So excited and happy because it's a Monday and we're going to a Jyotirling. So let's wake up and go. Hi, we left some time back and we are क्यों ऐसे रही है मैं ऑलरेडी इतना awkward होती हूँ पता है सबके आपने ब्लॉग कर रहे हो
भाई पर मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ मेरे को थोड़ा
मैं
अच्छा एंगल तो दे देख सन
हाय गाइस तो मैं अभी तो सो रही है देख रही हूँ Jessica look here. We are halfway on our way. Halfway on our way. We are halfway there. We're waiting 2 hours.
रुक
And it's chaos.
खाली हाँ इन सीटिंग जो मत कर खाली आगे डर अभी अरे
They are looking for washrooms but can't find. We are finally here. It's 11 a.m. currently and this is how I look. This is my OOTD. Just got done with our darshan and it is drizzling right now. And in case you don't know, ऐसा बोलते हैं कि if you go and do a darshan and उसके बाद बारिश होती है तो it's very auspicious and that आपके दर्शन पूरे हो गए. And as you can see, it's raining. And yeah, darshan successful. We started at 11 and I think it's 4. I am talking after lunch. We did our lunch for like 30-40 minutes but हमें 3-4 घंटे लगे. Because बीच में 1 घंटा मंदिर बंद हो गया था, but it was so beautiful. I got a lot of time in front of Bhagwan and to pray and just to sit. So yeah, successful. Now we are heading back home and I shall see you. I don't know when because I haven't slept since like 2 days. सिर्फ 1 घंटा सोई थी रात को. So yeah, that's Trimbakeshwar and signing off from Nasik. Love how November has started for me and I hope that more good things keep happening. And that's that. Hi guys, it's the 6th of November, checking in after 3 days and today is a very exciting day for me because I am going to learn driving. I have been wanting to learn driving since forever but for some reason I never did it, and last year when I was making my vision board for 2025 I put a car picture of me driving a car. I did want to buy a car and I actually did look at a lot of cars. I just came to the conclusion that I don't really need a car because I don't really go to a lot of places every day. I am at home working from home and to be honest, Mumbai is no more a place where you can just go out and drive. You just go out and stay at one place for like hours, if not hours, for minutes. So yeah, anyways, long story short, in my family no women, knows how to drive. Mridul, some years back, became the first woman who knows how to drive in our family from my mom's side. And recently, because I have been living with my bua, she constantly motivated me to go and learn driving. And I honestly know how to drive like an automatic car, basic, not no, but I know, like I can सीधा सीधा चला सकती हूँ, सीखी थी थोड़ी सी. But she told me no, I will only give you our car in hand if you go and learn a manual car and when you get your license in hand. And I took it very seriously because I honestly wanted someone to push me to do it, because I have been telling my friends कि मुझे गाड़ी सिखा दो गाड़ी सिखा दो, सब एक दिन आते हैं 2 दिन आते हैं और फिर सब गायब हो जाते हैं. So I was like, if I pay someone to make me learn the car, that person will come and teach it to me every day. So I did it 2 days back, and for me November is going to be learning a lot of new things, making and developing a lot of new hobbies, and that is exactly what we are doing. And I'm super happy and super proud that I took this step, and I want to learn driving before I turn 25. I'm turning 25 in 22 days. So, and the driving class is of 20 days, so we are very cut to cut. So yeah, we'll learn driving in 20 days, and I have full faith in me that I will learn driving in these 20 days, and on my birthday I will be driving a car. So yeah, let's go. I don't know if I'll be vlogging because it's my first day and I'm shy. 20 days में एक ना एक दिन तो मैं vlog करूँगी. Hi guys, it is the other day. It's the 7th of November, and remember last night I told you how excited I was to go and learn the car. सबसे पहला दिन था, बहुत खुश होके तैयार होके excited होके नीचे उतरी थी. बहुत ही ज़्यादा, हाँ बहुत ही ज़्यादा. 25 साल की लड़की होने के हिसाब से मैं एक 10 साल की लड़की की तरह एक्साइटेड होकर नीचे उतरी थी. And that's not even not okay. Like that was the fun part. What happened after that wasn't. I sat in the car. He made me sit at the steering wheel. Left to right, up to down, everywhere in the car. सारे जितने buttons होते हैं, सब कुछ होता है, जो signs होते हैं, सब कुछ उन्होंने मुझे सिखाया, विखाया, सब किया. My trainer very cutely drew everything and explained me everything, and all of this ended in 10 minutes. Okay, and after 10 minutes he told me हो गया, कल मिलते हैं, आज के लिए इतना ही था. And I was like, I felt so sad and so bad, and just so like बस मेरा दिल टूट गया कि मतलब इतना ही था, 10 मिनट में हो गया मेरा टेबल. But I was very very sad. I did not say anything. I just got out of the car and I was sad कि भाई मैं इतनी excited थी कि मैं गाड़ी चलाऊंगी, मेरे को गाड़ी चलाने मिलेगी, कुछ होगा, कुछ नया सीखूंगी. And then today in the morning I got a message that my learning license was approved. And then I realized that he couldn't teach me, he couldn't let me drive the car because I can't drive the car without a learning license, and that is why maybe he did not teach me. I personally thought that I would be driving an automatic car. मैं manual car नहीं चलाऊंगी, वो manual, I will drive automatic. अब automatic आने लग गई है तो मैं क्यों manual car चलाऊंगी. मेरे घर वालों ने मुझे मेरी लाइन पे ला दिया कि नहीं, आप manual से ही स्टार्ट करोगे. हमने manual से स्टार्ट किया है. मेरे सारे दोस्त, सारे लड़के सब बोलते थे, सारे लड़के दोस्त manual 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 manual. बट मेरे को ऐसा था कि मैं manual क्यों सीखूं जब मुझे चलानी ऑटोमेटिक गाड़ी ही है. But अब घर वालों ने बोला है तो करना पड़ेगा. And today is day 2 of me driving. I will still not vlog because the uncle who teaches me is like an old uncle. I don't want to annoy him by telling him uncle मेरी video निकाल लो, or me, I will obviously not film while driving because I am new at this, and I can't tell uncle to, I mean my teacher, to film me because he might get irritated. I will do this later in time when he is, like I'm done learning and all of that, and I'm friendly with uncle, so I can tell uncle please take my video, I want to send it in my family group. तो वो मैं करूँगी. Today is a shoot day. I am shooting a skincare video. That is why I have no makeup on my face. In case you think there's makeup, there's only a lip gloss. There's no makeup on my face. Touch wood. Let me know if you want to see my skincare routine. I am filming an honest skincare routine video today. My current skincare routine is these 5 products when I am living in this home. This is what I use. Day 2 of learning driving. Hi guys, it is the 9th of November today and in the morning I woke up to a very very beautiful surprise. this is what I woke up to. सुबह सुबह मृदुल आई आज मेरे को सरप्राइज करना. आई थिंक लाइफ में पहली बार हुआ है ऐसा, है ना?
ज्यादा हो गया लाइफ में.
मतलब घर पे तू ऑल द वे आई ऐसे आउट ऑफ द
मैं
ब्लू
पहले,
सरप्राइज देने.
जब तू स्कूल में थी तब आई हूँ.
हाँ तब मतलब ऐसे अपन बड़े हो गए, लाइफ में बिजी हो गए उसके बाद.
यस.
एंड क्रेजी. मुझे तो 5-10 मतलब 5 नहीं बट फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम ऐसे लग रहा था दैट आई एम ड्रीमिंग or that it is not
Cute.
real. So yeah, this is what is happening and बस अभी हम तो कुछ नहीं कर रहे, ऐसे घूम रहे हैं and we'll eat something and we'll just chill. Wow, just people and their driving skills. मैं भी गाड़ी सीख रही हूँ और आई होप मैं ऐसी गाड़ी नहीं चलाऊँ कि लोगों को मुझ पे गुस्सा आए.
मैं by the way, she's not talking about me. She's talking about other people.
I'm talking about other people obviously. But जैसे कि आप लोग देख रहे हो मैं रोज गाड़ी सीख रही हूँ आजकल. So I just hope that I turn out to be a nice driver. एक नाक निकल गया. But yeah. And yeah, that was all for this vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. I really tried being myself in this vlog. I have not cut a lot of footage. As I'm talking, I am also shooting this week in my life. It is a very fun week in my life where I will be showing you all the healthy recipes, my workouts and everything that you usually ask me to do. But yeah, that was all and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye.